Why don't I let Fred introduce himself?
Bill, hi. I get to know Fred Wilson. I presently work for Freedom Bank, and I work as a mortgage loan officer, where I have the luxury of assisting my clients purchase the homes of their dreams.
What would say is your biggest? What would you say is your biggest success in networking?
It happened recently, and it wasn't so much my benefit, but the benefit that I was able to provide to another person. You know, her name is Dina Gorel. Met her at one of your networking events. We came and we spoke during the meeting. Afterwards, she followed up with me. She, at that time, was working for Aflac. And she was explaining to me about her business and in terms of the type of persons that she feels would be good with her products. So what I did was I got the information from her, and I explained to her that I would follow up with the vice president of marketing at our bank. As a small community bank, we don't offer as many benefits as some of the larger banks. So when I spoke to the vice president, she was familiar with Aflac. She had a positive experience with them from her previous company. And I asked if she would be willing to talk with Dina. And she said she would. So we scheduled an appointment. Dina went in and gave a good presentation. And it was so good that over the next couple of months, more meetings were held. And she actually had the opportunity to present Aflac to our board of directors. And it was approved that she could then have opportunity to present it to the bank employees. So that took place about a month ago, and she was able to sign up a number of members within Freedom Bank for Aflac. So that was not so much me, but what I was able to do for another person. So that just shows networking works. It may not actually benefit you, but in many cases, it's what you can do to help someone else out.
Absolutely. But what goes around comes around. So,
yes.
We know that you'll get your due share.
Yes. Yeah. It was just wonderful just to see how elated she was when we were sitting down with her and talking about Aflac. She was just glowing. And of course, now I am a customer of Aflac as well. I think it's an excellent product. So I think what she has, it can benefit so many other companies as well as small banks as well.
Very good. Very good. Thank you very much for listening. For now, I would like to say have a very productive day. Bye-bye.